Don't you hate it when smudges get all over your screen? Listen up if you want your screen to look good and last longer. Use GW Magic Screen Cleaner. So many people are buying this product and they say it is great for cleaning cell phone screens, TV screens, tablets, and even eyeglasses. Check out all the GW Magic Screen Cleaner reviews on Amazon.com. Regularly cleaning your screen the right way with GW Magic Screen Cleaner is important for its upkeep and longevity. Click on the link below to order GW Magic Screen Cleaner or search for GW Magic Screen Cleaner on Amazon.com, eBay, or GWDirectStore.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it.